Hi, hello, vanakkam, namaste, namaskara guys. Welcome to MacroTraveller's video. So today's video is basically about an experience which you can do on your own, something which is really unique, especially very refreshing, recreational for everyone during this COVID times. I wouldn't say post-COVID, but post-lockdown times, because now, like you're saying, Bangalore, every city across the world is being affected by COVID. But obviously, it's been more than 7-8 months since we have all been contained in a place, and we have not been able to go out, not been able to do the regular things which you used to do, or travel like a travel blogger. I used to almost travel 300 days a year, but last few days or few months I've actually not ventured anywhere as such. So it really kind of hits me that I'm not able to do what I like. So I thought, let me do something different. I came across this unique stuff called the Heli Taxi. So Heli Taxi is basically an helicopter joyride experience. Initially started as an taxi in helicopter, which where you can fly from Bangalore, which is in like electronic city, to airport. So let me show you. So like you're seeing, I've just googled and I'm showing you how exactly you can find Heli Taxi, what is it known for, and all of that. So it's run by Thambi Aviation. So Thambi Aviation is basically the company which runs this. So go to helitaxi.com and you can find all the details. They have multiple things, not only joyrides. They have private shuttles, emergency services, airport shuttle. Currently the airport shuttle is not functional, but you can obviously try joyride. So I thought, let me go on a drive first and then go fly in air, because it's been more than 7 months since I've gone on a flight or flew basically above the ground, other than drones, which is what I've started doing in the last few weeks, where if I go to any road trips I fly drones. But I really miss my flight trips, because that is something which is really close to me. So I thought, okay, early morning Sunday, let me do this experience. So going all the way to Electronic City, that's where they're one of the bases of Thambi Aviation is there, where they basically have the helipad. They also have a helipad, or they use the services of Jakur Aerodrome. For people who are in Bangalore would know, they are in two different parts of Bangalore. Jakur very close to airport, and Electronic City is very close to Tamil Nadu. Two different parts, so you can figure out which place you want to go and all that. Right now I'm on one of the biggest highways or elevated flyovers in Bangalore or in Karnataka, which is basically the Electronic City flyover. I've seen this road from the day it was built for the flyover, because I used to go to Tamil Nadu, which is my native. So whenever I used to go across, this road was so narrow, maybe a couple of decades back, 2001-2 I'm talking of, when roads were so narrow, so bad, construction was going on full zoom. It used to take me 4 to 5 hours just to reach Hosur from Bangalore, though there was not much traffic, but the roads were horrible. Right now you see is Infosys and all other big IT companies of Electronic City. I'm sure you would have heard of it. They're one of the biggest IT parks in India when it was started. So let's go and find out how the experience is. I've almost reached the place, just entering the gates of the helipad. Let me show you how the whole area looks and run you through the experience. So we are entering the basically the Thambi Aviation area, where they sanitize you. They do a temperature check and they give you hand sanitizers. So basically anyone who is asymptomatic is only allowed to go in and experience this. So we are all ready, and once you have done that, inside the building you actually have security checks, because it's an aviation thing. You need to be careful, and they have safety briefing options. You also have a declaration form of passengers. Because of the COVID situation, you need to declare if you've been safe from COVID or you don't have any symptoms as such. So we were waiting. It was actually raining, like you saw when I was driving. So we're patiently waiting almost for an hour. Finally we are ready. So I'm packing my bags and heading to take off. So before we wait at the helipad, because the helicopter is actually coming from a different place. So I thought, let me just show you around the place how it looks. So this is how the Heli Taxi area is. So you can see that's where the helipad helipad is, where the helicopter is going to land. It's once in a lifetime experience, I would say, because I have generally been flying across the globe, but I have never experienced flying in Bangalore. This is my first helicopter ride in India. I have done helicopter rides internationally. I've gone in Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, whatnot, and now I've also gone in charter flights. But in India, this is my first experience, so I'm really excited, and I'm traveling with my wife, Mrs. MacroTraveller, so looking forward to it. So if you can actually hear from far, you can hear a noise of the helicopter approaching close by. See how the pilot lands, very experienced pilot. In fact, I was speaking to the pilot. He's been doing this for more than 30 years, and he's been working across domain. He was for more than 20 years. He was in the Air Force, obviously flying fighter jets, helicopters across all terrain. So obviously we are in safe hands. But before that, let's wait. After the land has happened, they have to sanitize the helicopter and all because of the safety protocols. So we also are wearing mask and face shield, everything, so that we are also safe. Even though there are going to be 6 people inside, social distancing is going to be followed, and every safety precaution, like now you saw they were just sanitizing, and we are just walking towards the helicopter. So we're just going in now.
Try to open this, because we will open the door and we will close the door. Don't touch the door.
Yeah, all safety precautions and instructions are being given. So as a blogger, I'm lucky to fly and sit, not fly exactly, but sit in the cabin and like in the front seats to get a better view. I wish I could fly. I miss flying my drone now. I wish I could actually fly a drone with the helicopter as well. I actually flew a drone, not very close to a helicopter, but when I had gone to, if you have seen one of my old videos, where I had been to Assam Daijing festival, there I was actually flying. They did have some joyrides of helicopter, but my drone also was close by. So you'll have to be really careful if you're doing something like this. It's not advisable. So I was quite far. I was not nearby, so that way I was safe. But this is how the takeoff is going to take place now. So I'm hearing the captain talking, getting all the necessary permissions from the air traffic control, and we are good to go. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we shall take off now. So I'm just showing you how it looks inside a helicopter. Though it's raining, but the pilot is very well equipped. He's an expert, so it's going to take 10 minutes to go across the area where we are, Electronic City, a bit of Tamil Nadu and all of that. So it's a 10-minute joyride where it just cost you 3,500 only. I think it's a fabulous deal. Not everyone could get something of this stature so easily. It's an experience of a lifetime which costs really nothing, and especially post lockdown times, everyone is excited to try new experiences, and I think this is something which is doing really well, because the day I went, even though it was rainy, gloomy, but you had more than 20-25 guests coming in, family, friends, kids, whatnot. But safety is really important, so please to take care. Look at the aerial view. It just looks so lush green, looks beautiful out there. So we are flying over some lakes. I can see the national highway. Feels like I'm actually flying a drone, but yes, I can feel it. So initially it looked little jittery when you go up, but obviously you're in safe hands. So they also do sometimes quite a lot of stunts, or 180-degree spin and all of that. But since the weather was not as great, it was raining, so the pilot didn't want to take chance. But we still had a beautiful, wonderful view. You can actually see we are just right below the clouds, so having a panorama view of Electronic City and nearby places, lush green place. So this inside the helicopter, you also have a view on top of you as well. So it's really nice. You should go and try this experience out. We are coming back to the civilization. Like you see, some lush green greenery and fields. We are coming close to the concrete jungle, electronic city. So we're just going to land, perfect landing, just the way I expected. It was fun. Trust me, I have not experienced this kind of flight journeys earlier, so it's really different. I've done helicopter rides other places, like I said. So once I've landed, I get down. By the way, if you notice, I'm wearing gloves. The reason is someone who's sitting in the front has to wear gloves for, again, safety precautions and all of that, so that you basically don't touch anything randomly and all of. Again, next ride, one more ride, the helicopter just took off. So if you see the way they take off so seamlessly and smoothly that you don't see any issues as such. So that's really wonderful takeoff. I enjoyed this thoroughly. It's worth the experience, worth on Sunday or a weekend if you're planning. So please do go to website. I'm giving all the descriptions down. Please do go check out the website, and you can even take my reference, my name. You might be even lucky to get some discount or few extra minutes of ride. So you never know. Please do go and try it out. And let me know once you had a great experience on the comments below. Till then, like, subscribe and share MacroTraveller. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatnot, and all social media.